Hello, I am Jos van Rentergem, and together with Todd Pataki and Mark Robinson, we have developed an online workshop in which we hope to introduce delegates to the most important knowledge and skills needed to use statistical parametric mapping for their statistical analyses. In recent years, we have been promoting the use of SPM in biomechanics-related research, allowing researchers to test their hypotheses on one-dimensional data such as kinematic or kinetic time profiles. We have supported this with annual 2-day workshops. The COVID-19 pandemic has, however, made us realize more than ever that access to in-person workshops is not always feasible. By providing the workshop materials in an online format, we hope to make the workshops also accessible to anyone across the globe at any moment in time. As with the in-person workshops, the aims of this online workshop are to make delegates fully familiar with conducting SPM analyses in MATLAB. We teach how to correctly interpret the outcomes of SPM, and we teach to actually include SPM analyses in methods and results sections of scientific reports. If all of this sounds a bit terrifying to you, then we would like to reassure that it is not necessary to be proficient in MATLAB, and we will not work on MATLAB proficiency. We will also not be able to cover all aspects of SPM, let alone cover all aspects of conventional statistics that may underpin adequate use of SPM. Finally, we will work with prepared datasets that are easily used in MATLAB and will explain what is needed to get your own data into that format, but we won't have the time to help delegates with actually preparing and inputting their own data for analysis. Now, that being said, there's plenty to learn and do, and so we hope that by complementing our annual in-person workshops with this online version of it, we can reach more people across the globe who want to test their hypotheses in multi-dimensional data.